Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve copy and paste not working properly on your Windows computer guys. Let's fix that issue. For that, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. And in Task Manager you just need to search for Windows Explorer. And here we get right click on it and select Restart. Wait for it guys. After getting refreshed, close out of here and you just need to go to File Explorer, select this PC and you just need to select the Windows hard drive, Windows icon over here. You just want to select it, right click on it and select Properties, select the Tools tab and select Error Checking. To this option is check the drive for the system errors. Click on Check. Select the scan drive. You can keep using the drive during the scan. If errors are found, you can decide if you want to keep fix them. Click on it guys. Wait for it. The scanning will be done now. Windows successfully scanned the drive, no error was found. Just need to close out of here, close it, and you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Opens up command prompt window. You just need to click run as administrator and click yes. Now you just need to type here sfc space slash SEANNOW, sfc space slash SEANNOW, press enter guys. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Wait for it to get 100%. After finishing this, close out of here and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.